Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So, as you can see, the target that we have specified is completed actually rather accurately. Market now stands at the support. So this is major OP. This is 618 support, and theoretically you could try to consider some bullish intraday stops for a tactical bounce. So if you're trading on a daily and high time frames, it's nothing yet to do because we need to get some patterns to make the conclusion that market will show more or less significant pullback. But on the lower time frames, on the hourly chart, those of you who trade on the hourly chart and lower time frames, well, it is possible to use the current performance, just try and take the scalp long positions, hoping with the making bets on about bounce here. Also, guys, to run slightly ahead of the weekly report, as we did today on Forex comments as well. Weekly performance on the weekly chart suggests that chances the market could drop a bit more looks significant. So currently I would say that 1830, where we stand right now, it might be the temporal stop, and once the reaction on this level will be over, gold has big chance to proceed lower to the next XOP target. It doesn't break our long-term view. It stands absolutely in a row with the suggestion that we said. But this information might be important for those who are is preparing for investing in the gold. So, as we said, through the summer, at least to the midsummer, gold market probably remains under pressure. So, and we do not expect a reversal, sharp reversal on the gold market until the summer. Situation could stand to change closer to the end of the summer in early autumn, when we are coming close to the November elections in the United States, and the problems with the inflation, its nature of the structural inflation, as more has become evident, that's become the background, fundamental background for changing trend in the gold, but not right now yet. So it means that we could trade next week the possible bounce up from here, but at the same time we have to keep in mind that this probably will be only temporal reaction. On a lower time frame, one of the patterns that might be considered is the head and shoulders. It's very often forming with this current situation. The market could form some kind of the ABCD pattern. So that's particular those of you who would like to rely on some patterns and prefer to rely on patterns, this could keep an eye on. Others who are taking the position immediately when the major level has been reached, you could actually consider the hourly stop that we discussed recently. As you can see, market has completed 1618 butterfly. Yesterday, by the way, gold was not able to proceed higher, so I'm returning back to idea of the gradual taking of the position. So if you are not sure, if you you're worried to miss the trade, split your position, take a position in parts. So as we said yesterday, take 1/3 position at the first level. If market shows higher action, you will take the 2/3. And you can see that these tactics, maybe it gives you not perfect entry point, but at the same time, it is had a lot of advantages that you haven't missing the trade, and at least when 1/3 of your position, you could get this one. And besides, this is significantly more simple. Now about the scalp trading, actually we already have the pattern. This is butterfly. You have the hammer pattern as well here if you're trading the candlesticks, right? So theoretically for scalp trading, it is possible to use these lows of stop placing and suggesting that some upward direction should happen. In fact, here it's very similar situation to euro currency. So this we have the butterfly. Market probably tries to complete at least the 30% pullback. To complete minimum target of the butterfly, 30% reaction, which is actually around 1848. So that's what we have on for the trading on the long side. you could use what you would like to, but currently we are not considering taking new shorts because market stands at strong support, and we need to get the bounce to think about on a downward continuation.